Let's create a WhatsApp chatbot in just 5 minutes. But before that, let me show you how a WhatsApp chatbots actually work for your business. So here I'm going to enter a message that is hello as a customer or the user. So here I have entered this message and soon I will be getting an automated reply. So here you can see that I'm getting this reply which says welcome to Skill Up Academy, and right here we are getting this button that is browse workshops. So here I'm going to select it, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting this list for the upcoming workshops. So here I'm getting some of the workshops. Right here I'm going to select this first workshop, that is digital marketing. And as I have selected it, I'm getting the details of this particular workshop, and here I'm getting this button that is register now, which I have selected. And now I'm getting this message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting this message which says thanks demo user, and right here it is asking me to enter my email address. And by looking at this message, you can see that we are getting a personalized message, means I'm getting the same name which I have just entered. So by using this chatbot, you can send personalized messages to your customer as well. And right here I'm collecting the details of my user within the WhatsApp. And now let's provide the email address. So here I have entered it, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting this confirmation message which says you are officially registered demo user. So you can see the working of this chatbot, by using which as a user or the customer, I can automatically register myself in this academy within the WhatsApp. And now as a user, I don't have to visit multiple websites, etc. And here I'm getting all the details of the workshop within the WhatsApp. So now this chatbot is going to be very crucial for your business, as you can automate your WhatsApp conversation by using this automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. And you can even save the data of your leads to the Google Sheet or whatever business application you are running. But for that, you just have to use one automation tool called as Pabbly. So now let's create this chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by accessing Pabbly Chatflow. And for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free. And I want to tell you one thing, that Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you the free trial, so you can create this automation or this chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow right now. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And Pabbly Chatflow is going to help you to automate your WhatsApp for business fully. As by using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create AI assistants which can respond to your customer queries instantly, can create chatbots, and by using this automation tool, you can also create WhatsApp campaigns. And after trying it, if you like this automation tool and want to buy Pabbly Chatflow, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which will provide you a heavy discount. And here you will be getting many offers which provide you 5% off. But by using my coupon code, that is STUYT, you can get 6% off on your purchase for the Pabbly. And this coupon code is valid for yearly and lifetime access plans. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And if you want to learn about all these features of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can check the video given on the description. And now here we are getting this option for triggers. So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. And right here, this trigger event is keyword or the regex match. And you can even select another triggers also. So keywords are the words which can initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. And as I have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, I have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated our WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to just enter it, and here our keyword is ready. And now I'm going to create this chatbot by using these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. And now as my user will send me a message, I'm going to send them this welcome message. So for that, we have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message notes, which you can get from this message block too. So here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button note, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customer. So right here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I have provided my button name as browse workshops, and now let's save it. Now if my user will select this button, that is browse workshops, I'm going to provide them list of the upcoming workshops. So for that we are going to drag and drop, and here we are getting this list node, by using which you can create the list of the services, products, etc. provided by your business. And right here I'm going to provide the list of the upcoming workshops. So for that we firstly have to provide the body to our list. So right here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to simply click over this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as workshops, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items or some upcoming workshops. Now we just have to click over this add items, and now let's enter the title of our first list item. So right here I have entered the title of my first list item, that is digital marketing. And now let's add some more items or some more workshops to this list. So right here you can see that I have added 2 more items to my list. So with this we have successfully created a list of 3 workshops. So likewise you can also add your products or the services in this list so that your user can check out it easily. And now I want to get to know which workshop my user has selected. So for that, we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields. So by selecting it, you can move to the page and can create your own contact custom field. Now for providing it, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is set custom field, which you have to select. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as workshop, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. And now this contact custom field workshop will consist of the workshop selected by your user. So by adding the $sign before this contact custom field, you can send personalized message, as this will be consisting of the data selected or provided by your user. Now let's provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user will select any of these list items, I'm going to provide them details of that particular workshop in the text button node. So here you can see that I have provided the details of this first workshop, that is digital marketing masterclass, and here I have created this button, that is register now. Now likewise I'm going to provide the details of remaining workshops too. So right here I have provided the details of all the list items, and now if my user will select this button, that is register now, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that you have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is ask question, which you have to select. And now I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user in this question node. So right here I have entered this question asking for the full name. Now let's select the contact custom field as full name too, and now let's select the format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add one more question asking for the email address. So here I have entered this question which says thanks $full name. So this variable signifies the contact custom field which I have just selected for this question where I'm asking for the full name of my user. So now as soon as my user will provide their full name, this contact custom field full name will store that particular name provided by my user. And afterwards, by adding this $sign before this contact custom field, we are going to send personalized message to our customer. So here you can see that we are receiving this personalized message, and this is because of the contact custom field. And here I'm done with my second question asking for the email address. Now if my user will provide me all these details, I'm going to provide them the confirmation message in the text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we are done with the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot, by using which you can fetch the details of your customers within the WhatsApp and can provide the details of the product or the services by your business within the WhatsApp. So now your customers don't have to visit multiple websites. So now you can also automate your entire WhatsApp by just using this automation tool. And not only this chatbot, you can also create AI assistants which can resolve all the queries of of your customers, and you can even save these data to whatever business application you are running. And now we just have to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and here you can see that my flow has been saved successfully. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.